Welcome to multiple choice question 19 of the 2007 Mathematical Methods Exam 2. In this video we will be looking at the solution for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAA. Now before we move on, I'd just like to point out that the use of a CAS calculator may assist in answering this question, although it's possible to do it by hand if you prefer. For question 19, we're told that the discrete random variable x has the probability distribution as given in the table. The mean of x is 5, and the question goes on to ask that the values of a and b are one of the following options. So because we have two unknowns, we'll need two equations to solve for this. So the first equation that we're going to set up relies on us knowing that the sum of all of the probabilities must add to 1. So therefore, we have that a plus 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.3 plus b must add up to 1. And we can simplify that to just be a plus b must equal 0.3. So that's the first equation that we're dealing with. The second equation that we're going to create relates back to the fact that the mean is 5. And the mean, or the expected value of a discrete random variable, has a formula that it is the sum of, so that's what that big E looking thing is the sum of x times the probability of x. And in this case, it will need to add to 5. So therefore, we'd have 0 times a plus 2 times 0.2. So each time I'm just taking the x value and multiplying it by the probability below it in the table. So the next one would be plus 4 times 0.2 plus 6 times 0.3 plus 8 times b, and that must equal 5 because that's what's being given in the problem. And then we can simplify this down, or you could just put it in the calculator exactly how it is. And this equation would simplify to be 3 plus 8 times b must equal 5. So 8b would equal 2. So you could straight away find that b equals 0.25, which also, once you consider equation 1, that a plus 0.25 would equal 0.3, would give a equals 0.05. So that means that the correct answer for this question is A. And back at the start I said that the calculator could be used, and that's where you could type in those two equations either in the simplified form or in those initial forms that I've written there and solve them simultaneously, and it gives A is 0.05 and B is 0.25 as required. From the examiner's report, we can see that this question was done well in the exam, with 84% of students getting that question correct.